Every day, this tiny puppy sat by a broken bench. People passed.
Cars moved on.
But the puppy stayed. He wasn't lost. He was waiting. Once, a little boy came here every day. They shared biscuits and dreams. Then one day, the boy never came back. Rain fell. The puppy shivered. Others told him to leave. But loyalty doesn't listen to fear. One evening, the puppy heard familiar footsteps. His heart knew before his eyes did. The boy returned, and the bench wasn't broken anymore, because love always comes back.